ujor ejahar rangba shnang bangar par bakeno lumpi sabe a nagi longyeng bayo yak skim PMAYG rangba shnang jong shnang bangar par kabaha papo ka West Garo Hills District Umatior Hussein hene kasngi habakran pat ginong thok kubor hasilong press club ulah keno persya yo wei ubriu ubalatip kerteng kum Utaher Ali ubadai ulok jong ka secretary jong ka VEC ka Samina Khatun Badru yau Mujibor Ali ubadai urang ba shnong jongka papo mari bakila lumpi sabian nagi longyeng kibayo ya ka scheme shna yeng badung ni ka PMAYG scheme nakaliang Hussein ule thu ba Utaher Ali ula lumpi sabian hadu arhajar tingka nagi ni longyeng hadu menta kidon komba lai prateli kilongyeng kibayo ya kani ka scheme kibala ai pisa shu Utaher Ali kini kilongyeng nakadaw jong ka jingting yo bakindu ya kani ka scheme kila ai ya ka pisa ka baula dawa ulai thuru bada ka jing ujor jong kipai pa jong ka shnong bangar par ula ujor sha ko office jong block development officer jong ka demdima CNRD block ha ka khat pratrek urampang arhaja arpsan bat hadu menta kimpat le a ne shim ye ki senja man penshidam shushu le thu bana kalyang ka jong u ha kan reutrek u yayong arhaja arpsan ula ujor da ka ejahar persha ye nyongut kibriu kata u Inamul Islam u Masir Ali u Gulam Hussein u Mujibor Rahman u Tufis Udin Amin u Alam bat u Samsul Hoge ulai thoru bakat ba udang kren bat kinong thok khubor ulai asgo ya ka jing sawa bat ha ka jing let jong u bantuklar ula sha keno penban badai ma u ba ujor persha yaki ha ka ba kila sho la bom ya u bat mensau
to each and everyone present here. First of all, I would like to sincerely thank you all for coming. I stand before you today to bring a light a serious issue and to humbly request that justice be served by the concerned authorities. Number one, the Awas Plus 2024 PMAYG scheme provide for the allocation of houses to job card holder in the village of Bhangarpar and Nilpara area. As per the video notification date 22 January 2025, the collection of any money from beneficiaries under the scheme is strictly illegal. Upon receiving credible information that money was being illegally collected from job card holder in connection with this scheme, that's why a formal complaint was submitted to the BDO on 18 March 2025. The complaint was specifically made against Mr. Tahir Ali, husband of BSc Secretary Samina Khatun, and Mr. Mujibur, headman of Papumari village, for their involvement in this unauthorized collection. Despite the complaint, no appropriate action was taken by the concerned authorities. Following the complaint, I was physically attacked by companion of Tahir Ali and Mujibur Ali. The attack took place near Bhangarpar LP School, Bhangarpar Government LP School, by the side of the PW Road in Bhangarpar village. A total of people were involved in this attack are 7. A media person was also present during the incident and statements were taken from those involved. Then people without my knowledge or consent. During the incident, 7 or 8 people were approached on the PWD road and asked whether they had paid money for the inclusion of their name in the scheme. Those who admitted that they had indeed paid money were assaulted by the attackers. Those who admitted that they had indeed paid money were assaulted by the attackers. The entire incident, including the interviews and the physical attack, was recorded on video. And these video clips and recordings are with me as evidence. Despite the seriousness of the situation, no update or progress have been made regarding the inquiry, and we are all still waiting appropriate action. 6 April 2025.
Which police station?
Popular Vita Outforce. And this is the criminal assaulted FIR is submitted in the police outpost, and collecting of money FIR is submitted to the Deputy Commissioner and to the SP. To the,
Deputy Commissioner of West Karels.
yeah.
So there is no action from the commissioner and
When I submit, he asks me, I will see the matter. Yes, sir.
oh, you are not yet.
Not yet, sir.
How many people have?
A number of people, but some people are ignoring, no?
No, but how many numbers do you have?
Yeah, I haven't given, I'm not like the number.
And
I
what is the
How
amount?
many?
And what is the amount from each person?
He was
सर मैं हम लोग घर में जा रहे हैं तो रास्ता में देखे एक रिपोर्टर आया तो उधर में बहुत आदमी तो हम बोला क्या हो रहा है वो तो कंप्लेन हुआ उसमें जो टका लिया PMNC का उसके लिए रिपोर्टर आया तो हम उस टाइम में थोड़ा उधर में रुका है बाद में बोला रिपोर्टर बोला तो आप कुछ बोलेगा हाँ हम तो सर बोलेगा सर तो हम बोला नहीं सर तो सच में 2000 का एक जेल टेक करने के लिए 2000 लिया कि 2000 लिया अगर 2000 नहीं देने से जेल टेक भी नहीं करता है सिर्फ हमें यही बोला बाद में ऐसे मारपीट किया हमको सर इधर में मारा है इधर में मारा है और इधर 3 आदमी हमको मारा है सर और इनका औरत को मारा है
आप पहचानता ये लोग को?
जी मैडम तो हम भी एफआर किया है मैडम
हुआ apa sah?
6 तारीख 6 अप्रैल 11 बजे 11:30 बजे में सर
तो पुलिस इन लोग को
फोन किया तो सर आप जल्दी आइए पांगापुर गवर्नमेंट स्कूल में मारपीट हो रहा है हमको भी मार रहा है और गाँव वालों को भी मार रहा है और एक आदमी को भी मार रहा है तो हमको 3 आदमी मारा है फर्स्ट आदमी मेसर अली तो सेकेंड वालों शमसुल हक थर्ड वालों हासमुद अली सिर्फ हम बोला सच में 2000 करके लिया है अगर कोई आदमी 2000 नहीं देने से वो जेल टेक भी नहीं करता है तो वो सेक्रेटरी का हस्बैंड लिया ताहिर अली यही मैटर